In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use iPhone 15 as webcam for Mac or Windows. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase two main ways to connect your iPhone 15 to a Mac or Windows PC and use it as a webcam. This will work if you have a desktop PC or a laptop, it doesn't matter. So first, if you want to connect it to a Mac, this will be the most conventional way. This is because it is a native feature between the iPhone 15 and most modern Mac devices. So first, all that you have to do is make sure that you are signed into the same iCloud account on both the Mac and the iPhone. By doing this, you will be able to share anything that your camera captures on the iPhone to your Mac wirelessly. So this feature allows you to do it with ease. So all that you have to do now, after you sign into the same iCloud account between both devices, is going to be to properly connect it to your MacBook. As you can see, this will be done by physically placing it at the top so you can get a good view as a webcam. And as long as you open any standard camera application such as Google Meet, Zoom, Discord, and so on, you will be able to select your iPhone from the list of available devices. There is no secret to this. You just sign into the same iCloud account and then you choose it from the list. Like I said, it is recommended to place it above the MacBook like this, and you can purchase an official mount. As you can see, the Belkin iPhone mount with MagSafe for Mac notebooks. This is optional. You can 3D print one or purchase one from other manufacturers, but the baseline is that this will make it very convenient to use it as a webcam. Now, if you don't want to spend money purchasing this bracket, or you want an alternative solution for Windows or free for Mac, then what you can try to do is use Epoch Cam. So this also allows you to set up your iPhone as a camera. It is compatible to both Windows and Mac. So as you can see here, you will be able to initially use it for free. All that you have to do is download the application from the App Store. So go to the iPhone's App Store, download Epoch Cam, and you will be able to choose how you want to set it up. So you just follow the instructions. So if you are downloading this for Windows, you will need to download iTunes, and then afterwards, just see the options that you have to connect. You will be able to connect it through a wired connection, so you use a USB cable and you connect both devices together, or you do it wirelessly. Just follow the instructions here. You will be able to download the necessary drivers and then grant the permissions. With this done, and with the application running on both your desktop PC and the iPhone, you will find it available under the list of devices on any compatible application, such as OBS, Google Meet, Zoom, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone 15 as webcam to Mac or Windows. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.